The future of mobility takes many forms, and sometimes, the most impressive innovations arrive in small, compact packages. Before us stands a machine designed not just for transport, but for versatility, comfort, and efficiency. This is a futuristic compact three-wheeled cargo van, a vehicle that blends sleek aesthetics with clever functionality, opening a new chapter in modern urban travel. At first glance, the front of the van immediately catches the eye. Its aerodynamic curves sweep gracefully, cutting away unnecessary bulk while emphasizing modern efficiency. Sharp LED headlights pierce forward like futuristic eyes, glowing with precision and clarity. Between them sits a black grille, clean and minimal, accented with a stylish emblem that represents innovation and design. The surface gleams in a glossy pastel mint green finish, touched with metallic highlights that shimmer subtly under the light, giving the van a calm yet futuristic presence. Its stance is unique, one wheel at the front, flanked by two at the rear. This trike-inspired configuration balances agility with stability, ensuring maneuverability in tight city corners while maintaining solid footing on open roads. The black alloy rims give a sporty contrast against the soft mint body, adding strength and a touch of rebellion to its otherwise clean personality. Moving to the side, the design continues to impress with thoughtful simplicity. A sliding door extends smoothly, revealing the heart of this creation, its warm and inviting wooden interior. Step inside, and the contrast is striking. While the exterior speaks of minimal futuristic efficiency, the interior whispers of comfort and coziness. The wooden finish runs seamlessly across built-in cabinets and open shelves, blending functionality with aesthetics. A foldable table rests discreetly along the wall, ready to transform the compact cargo space into a workstation, a dining area, or a place to relax. It's this dual nature that defines the van. On the outside, it is a sharp and modern cargo vehicle, ready to carry goods through bustling city streets. On the inside, it transforms into a space that feels like a miniature camper, designed for rest, storage, and adaptability. Every detail has been considered, not just for practicality, but for experience. The tinted rear windows maintain privacy while allowing a soft, filtered glow to illuminate the wooden surfaces. Across the side, the word, cargo, is printed boldly, a reminder of its purpose, yet carried with elegance rather than utility alone. The rear design maintains the same futuristic minimalism. Smooth lines replace harsh edges, ensuring every angle flows into the next. The tinted glass blends effortlessly with the mint panels, creating a continuous form that feels unified and futuristic. Nothing is wasted, and everything is intentional. Set against a plain, light background, the van almost feels like a concept drawn straight from the pages of tomorrow. It's not just about moving people or cargo, it's about rethinking how vehicles can merge lifestyle with mobility. In this compact frame lies a statement: small can be powerful, minimal can be beautiful, and utility can be comfortable. This van represents a balance between three worlds: the practicality of a cargo vehicle, the sleek design of a futuristic city car, and the warmth of a personal space. It redefines what a compact utility vehicle can be, not just serving a function, but elevating it. Every feature tells a story of thoughtful design. The LED headlights shine with clarity, symbolizing forward vision. The wooden interior radiates warmth, reminding us that even in the most advanced machines, human comfort matters most. The aerodynamic form speaks of efficiency, sustainability, and progress. This is more than a van, it is a glimpse into the future of compact travel. Agile enough for the city, versatile enough for work, and cozy enough to feel like home. It proves that innovation does not always have to be loud or overwhelming. Sometimes, the future arrives quietly, in soft mint green, on three wheels, with a space that feels as welcoming as it is advanced.